No girl me fuck, but me nah go tell you no lie. And you me love, and I'm my fault that the catty hurt you. Whoa. Anyways, watch another daddy. People them say the cake soap are the fake soap. Whoa. That's why you have to use bleaching cream. You have to use the blue cream. Cool, let me wash my face with the cake soap. And that make you get the queen. I have to revert myself because you don't know, so I don't want to hurt myself. Every time I DJ, you know, I have to rhyme another thing because you don't know, so I want to wear all the bling bling and pose off in my S-class because I move too fast. Cool, let me wash my face with the cake soap. This is the new bleaching cream. If you want to forget your queen, you don't know. I know, so I did advertise the cake soap. But cake soap don't really work like that cream. You don't know, but cake soap still keep you cool like you wash your face with your cake soap. Me no love man, so take your eye off of me. Drop for the set, or you have to eye off of me. The cream arriving is already pre-packaged, and you know what I mean? It don't look like sausage. The same two finger where you finger your girl. If you're fingering a girl, you put it in on the cake soap like so, and you just apply it onto your face like so. You don't know, cool like me wash my face with my cake cream, cool like me, yo, me get a queen with my cake cream, yo, me get a queen with my cake cream, yeah, you don't know, say Vybz Kartel, this, more for me whiter than this is the white when me want, cool like me wipe my face with the cake cream, yo, me go sell this in a my club, when me sell all of the street vibes rum too, the same place where me sell street vibes rum, you can buy the street vibes cream, make your skin clean, street vibes clean, and make your skin cream. Bounty killer, don't diss me no more bounty, my big, you know, so my big, cool like me wipe my face with the skin cream, cool like me wipe my face with the skin cream, skin cream, yeah, well you don't know, so this is Addy, the teacher, showing you guys how to use the proper use for the skin cream, make your skin clean like you wash your face with the skin cream, clean like you wash your face with the skin cream, yeah man, me look nice, you know daddy, wagwan, popcorn.